everyone, welcome to another video for SimonSysStamp.com. Today I'm starting out with by using this die from Diversions. It's these little tiny letters, and the one thing you have to remember when you're using or when you first buy a Diversions die is that it comes with a little piece of white foam, and you need to make sure that you press that down onto your die and then run it through your die cutting machine once so that it has that cushion in there, because that's what's going to make the letters pop out easier. So I'm going to go ahead and run this through my Big Shots. I'm going to be doing the word baby, so I'm going to have to run this through twice because I need two B's. But I'm going to do an A and a B right there, and then a Y right there. Just put that down and we'll run it through. Alright, and then those should pop out really easy. Okay, so I have those letters up here for the card. The pattern paper I'm going to be using for this card is from this pad of papers from First Edition Paper. This is their Animal Antics. And the pad is it's just slightly larger than 4x6. So it's great for cards because it's actually larger than the 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. So you can get a full size of card on there. So these paper pads are really great. The design for this card is inspired by one of the patterns, this pattern right here, where it's got all the little dots and things in it. I thought it'd be fun to punch a bunch of circles using the different patterns in this paper pad and assemble them on a card. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be punching a lot of circles, and the patterns are small, so you can get the koala, and you can get the giraffe, you can get the elephant, you can get all the different animals. So I'm going to go ahead and start punching these out with a 3/4 inch punch. I'm going to be working with this large piece of pattern paper. I've cut the card base to be a standard size A2 card, so it's 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. And this card is going to go right here, lined up against the top, but with a little mat around it. So I'm going to be using all of these circles that I've punched out, and in order to get adhesive on the back of them really easy and quickly, I'm going to be using my Xyron sticker maker, and I'm just going to run them through, put them in there, and then run them through. Okay, so I have all of these. I had to put my refill in my Xyron sticker maker, but I'm just really going over these, making sure the backing is pressed down, or the top plastic. Okay, I have a little strip of some paper from that same paper pack, and it's going to go on here somewhere, but I'm not sure exactly where it's going to fit in with putting all of these dots on there. So I'm going to take some just scratch paper, and I'm going to punch out a couple dots so I can see how many rows of dots I can do. Looks like 4, and then I think I can do 4 across as well. Actually, I think I'm just going to make a polka dot pattern, and then I'll just put this over the top. So I'm going to go ahead and start adhering these. Alright, I think I'm just going to stop there. I was going to continue to do the circle patterns, the polka dot, but I think I kind of like the randomness of that. And then I'll just put the little sentiment at the very bottom. Okay, I took a little bit off the top and the sides as well. I'm going to use the corner chomper and take off those ends. I'm taking up this one, just very carefully peeling that up. And that makes it so that there's plenty of room to put the sentiment down there at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and run these little tiny letters through that same Xyron sticker maker, and that'll make it so that I can adhere them really easily. Alright, that's going to go down right there, and I'm going to take these ends off just a little bit and do a little bit of a ribbon edge, just a little V shape. going to take some May Arts Natural Twine, and I'm going to go around this little flag shape a few times and then tie it in a bow. All right, I'm going to use some foam adhesive to adhere this down. All right, and then I'm going to put adhesive on the back of this piece. And then straight onto the card. I'm going to go around that outside edge, right around the curved line and everything along the bottom with a white gel pen and do some dashed lines. All right, and there's the card for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.